And we're back with another mega tea. Today we're gonna make the Captain America, which is super fun. And to make that, we're going to start with our lemon flavored herbal tea concentrate. We're gonna use one of the pomegranate flavored LiftOff tablets today. We're going to use any flavor aloe. I have the mandarin here today. And we're gonna use a red and a blue sugar-free drink packet. These happen to be Blue Typhoon and Fruit Juicy. Before we start, I'm just gonna crush this tablet up because these just come in a big tablet that dissolve in water. It does take a couple minutes for them to dissolve, so I'm gonna smash it up and put it in the bottom of our cup so it just dissolves a little faster. I'm gonna put this in the bottom of the cup along with a little bit of the red. And while this is dissolving in 2 other cups, I'm going to mix up our other 2 things, the blue and our white. Now that this is dissolved, I'm gonna go ahead and put my tea in the bottom of there also. I also put a couple of ice cubes in here to cool this down. I'm gonna fill the glass all the way up with crushed ice, and to keep it from melting, my crushed ice, I wanna cool this off in the bottom first. Now we're gonna fill the glass with crushed ice all the way to the top and a little over.